Hi, my name's Sonia Lawson. I'm a kindy teacher at Avondale School. We would love you to help develop at home your child's love and passion for reading. Reading is so wonderful. We don't expect the kids to come to school actually reading. That's our job, to teach them to read. But for you at home, there is just so much fun you can do at home with reading. Just reading to them every day. Let them see you read and let them know what you're reading about. When you're cooking, you could talk about the recipe. When you're driving, you can point out signs. There's just so much things they could do when they are enjoying reading with you at home. When you lie down and sit down with them with a book, you could actually start to follow the words and show them how the print goes from one side to the next. You could ask them questions. What do you think is going to happen next in the story? Who's in the story? What happened? What was the uh-oh of the story? Did something go wrong? You could actually even read stories where there's rhyming words and you can say, well, what comes next? What's the rhyming word? And there's so much fun you can have with reading. We would love you just to develop that passion with your child to read a book.